Section 3.4, Multiplication of Decimals. When you multiply and divide decimals, you do not have to worry about lining up the decimals if you're doing the problem by hand. For example, 21.4 times 0.36. Notice that when I wrote the problem out, I didn't worry at all about lining up the decimals. Think of it basically as 214 times 36. If you multiply 214 times 36, you end up with 7,704. Now here's where the decimal comes in. Count the number of numbers that are behind a decimal point. We have 1, 2, 3. So we have 1 here and then 1, 2 here. So there's a total of 3 numbers behind a decimal point in the problem. So to figure out where your decimal point lies in the final answer, you start at the start at the end of the number and you work 1, 2, 3 places to the left. Your decimal point will go right here between the two sevens. So your final answer is 7.704. Let's talk about multiplying a number or a decimal number by a power of 10. For every 0 you have, move the decimal 1 place to the right. For example, 42.07 times 10,000 means to take the decimal point in the number and move it 1, 2, 3, 4 places to the right because there are 4 zeros in the number 10,000. So you'll see that here. We move it 4 places to the right, and our new number is 420,700. Let's try one more example involving powers of 10. Find 3.01 times 10 cubed. 10 cubed is 10 times 10 times 10, which is 1,000. So 3.01 times 1,000 involves moving the decimal point 3 places to the right. So if we do that, our final answer ends up being 3,010.